Hello everyone, I'm Vamsi. In today's video, I'm going to say about circuit simulator. I searched a lot of websites and scrolled a lot of web pages for this type of circuit simulator. First of all, I thought this is a useless website, but after knowing all the features, I thought this is the best circuit simulator. I wanted to have a circuit simulator which have all the components for free, and it should be online and should be compatible for every device: mobiles, computers, laptops, tablets, Android 5 to Android 12, everything. And this is the best website. It's called Falstad. Today I'm going to say about it. I'll show you how to use it. And our next video is going to be a circuit video. That is my first working circuit, and I'll show you how to use it. Now let's go on with the Falstad circuit simulator. This Falstad website also offers you three other things. There are some maths and physics simulations and other. But our main goal is about electronics, so we are going to use this. See falstad.com/circuit/circuitjs.html. That is the main website. I'll show you how to use it now. Once you go to this website, you will see this type of interface. See, we got it. Really, this is an amazing website. Just a second, I'll show you everything. Once you open this website, you will see this circuit. I already told you about a mobile keyboard in my second previous video, getting started with coding. In that video, I told you about this keyboard. You should have it, only then you can use it. Or else you have to choose some other circuit simulator. But I think this keyboard is the best keyboard. You will not lose your touch screen if you have this. I'll keep the link in the description below, and also link of this website. Once you see this, see, I'm going to scroll my mouse above this. Once I scroll it, you can see blue color. It means it is selected. You don't need to click it at all. Just scroll above it. It is selected. I'm going to print delete. It's gone. Now this one. Now I'm going to press Ctrl A. Delete. Everything's gone. If you don't want to do it, then go to circuits. At the bottom you can see blank circuit. Click on that. Same interface. Then go to options. You can see here white background. It is just an optional, but I like to use white background for circuits. It will be it will give us more clarity. White background. Click on that. Just a second. White background. Click it. We got the white background. Now I'm going to show you how to make circuits. See, this is the run button. This is the reset all options button. Once you click it, all the options are resetted. I'm going to show you. I'm going to turn it down, turn it up, reset. Once you click reset, the circuit will be resetted. But now I have no circuit. I did not run it, so it won't work. First, let's build that circuit. I'm going to build a basic circuit with a resistor, and a battery and an LED. First, you can see here add resistor. Once you click that, you won't see anything. Just click on your mouse anywhere on the screen and just scroll your mouse. You can see this. In many circuit simulators, you can only keep the components vertical or straight. But in this website, see what I'm going to do now. Any angle you want. And it is compatible for Android 5 devices. Any Android 5. If you have Android 10, it will be really smooth. See how flexible it is, how simple it is. But I want it right here, so I'm going to drag it like this. This length is enough. Done. See, the time is running here because I started the simulation. If I click here, see the simulation has stopped. I'm going to click reset. See, 0 0 0 all. Now I'm going to keep a battery. What is a battery? It is an input source. So where is inputs and sources? See, inputs and sources. Once you scroll on that, you can see these options: add grounding, voltage source. What we want is a voltage source. It is a battery. Click on that. Now see, I can add it like this, but I want both of them, both of this resistor and that battery to be connected. I'm going to click at this point and drag it down. I got the battery. Now I want a light LED. LED is an output source, so outputs and labels, you can see LED. Click on that and at this end. Now see, I want it to be positive this side and negative this side. So from here, that's it. Run it. Nothing works because there is no connection between both of them. This is an main feature. It is a wire. Many websites lack in this feature in mobile devices. Draw. You can see at the top add wire. Click on that. I want this both points to be connected. So click on this point. Scroll it up to this point. That's it. The light is glowing. We made it. Our first website works. Okay, the current is flowing. Now the light is really dim, I think. What should we do now? We want extra voltage. But how can I edit? We have an answer for that too. Click on this file. Here you can see export options. Just a second. File. Then export as text. Click on that. You will see this. Here the first component you added is on the top and the last component you add is on the bottom. First we added a resistor. You can see R. Then we added a voltage source V. Then we added a LED, see default LED. Then we added a wire, it is W. How do I know all these? Simple, just click on draw, and for a wire you can see it is W, and for a resistor it is R. For a battery it is small v, and an output source LED it is L. Simple, like that you can identify that. You just have to remember when you place that object, in the starting or at the ending. Export as text, or you should not mess with these items. Okay, you should only focus on the last value. It is only the resistance. These are the position values on the screen. X-axis, Y-axis, angles, those. Last value is resistance. It is 1000. It means 1k ohm. I want it to be 100 ohms, so I removed a 1, then re-import. See, you can see 100. See, the light is growing somewhat brighter. I want the resistance to be 10k. Click on file again, export as text. Right here 2 more zeros, then re-import. See, the light is even more dim. I want to increase the voltage source, right? Now export as text again. What is the symbol of battery? It is small v. Where is that small v? Check everywhere. Here you will see that v. And the fourth value from the right side, it is first value 0.5, second value is 0, third value is 0, and the fourth value is 5. Click on that, backspace. I want it to be 9 inputs. Then re-import. Once you scroll on that, you can see here you will see VD is equals to 9V. Concentrate on that. See, VD is equals to 9 volts. We got it. And our next feature is exporting and importing files. Okay, here I have a blank file. Now I want to import something. Import from text. Once if you have a circuit previously on this website, just a second, first I will show you how to export them. Here you can see export as. Once you click export as text, if you click save as, you will see txt. It is saved as text format. If you want to open that file, click on that and copy all of that and then paste it here like this. If you have a lot of lines of the text, then click file, Ctrl O or open file, second option. Here you will see those options. See, you can open it from documents. You can also export it as image, SVG, text and link. You can also save it as text. You can upload it on Dropbox, and there are many other features. You can also print it. Toggle full screen. See, we got it. We even have scopes here. In these options, we don't use it regularly. If you want any extra features, you can see in these options. If you want some circuits, go to circuits, basics. These are all our example circuits except the last one. I am going to analog and digital. I am going to select some random thing. See, we have it. And the circuit. Flip flop. See, we have it. We even have logic gates in this. I don't know much about this, so I'm not going to worry about this. I'll go to other passive circuits. Just a second. What should I choose? I'll choose 555. We have it. Here you can see the graphs. My tab is a little bit slow because I'm recording the video. If we don't record it, then it will be really fast. I'll confirmly recommend this to you. Use this. Okay, then use this. Okay, I think that's all for today's video, and our next video is going to be our first project. Don't miss it out. Thank you.